to highlight some of the steps which you want the government to take after this Merchant Shipping Act has been enacted in August of this month, and how would a legal professional would like to outlay these steps for the government, please.
Hello. Thank you very much for that, and thank you for inviting. Thank you, DG sir. There are a lot of things which I didn't know I have learned today during sir and your presentation. Yes, Merchant Shipping Act 2025 has come as a pleasant surprise to all of us. It did need a revision, and we are very happy with what has happened. Especially Article 14 and 15 of the Merchant Shipping Act has now opened up ship registration for everybody. That is for non-resident Indians and CIO, that is citizens of Indian origin. Another, while DG sir and Rahul sir was speaking, I quickly wrote a few points. First is Article 14-15, that is opened up to NRI and COIs. It now also recognizes digital documents. That is a very transformative change in our own Merchant Shipping Act. For the first time, we are recognizing digital documents. That means the registration part becomes very simple. There's hardly anything left for the lawyers, like sir had asked me what, as a legal person, what I would recommend. There's hardly anything. The rule making is going on, I'm a part of that. Another thing which has become very interesting in the new act is that we now have temporary registration. That means ship recycling. It is possible to temporarily register your ship till it is in India, or while it is being switched over from a foreign to an Indian registry, which has happened recently to a very large container company has registered 2 ships in India. So that temporary registration is possible, and it is possible at a very fast state. You don't have to wait for very long. So these things are really something very marvelous which has happened in 2025. Going on with ship registration, I think yes, India should go for a dual registration. There are options available in the market, and that is legally recognized. One is of course a closed registration where only the ships belonging to Indians, and now that we have the Article 14 and 15, only Indians, but we can also explore the possibilities of a open registration. Open registration is where foreign ship owners can come and register in India and take the advantage. No, India is the fastest growing economy in the world. Everybody wants to buy a piece of the Indian pie. Well, it is now open under 2025. You are most welcome. Come and experience the beauty of our country. So open registry is possible. Currently, what I would suggest as a lawyer, that let's have a 2-tiered registration possibilities. One is for closed, that is the national and the closed registry. The other one is the open and hybrid registry. With, of course, open hybrid registry with certain restrictions. And those restrictions, I don't mean to discourage the people who are coming into India. Those restrictions are that we do not want to become a flag of convenience. And hence, everyone who comes into India and gets their ships registered should, of course, follow the international conventions like the MLC. There should be no exploitation of the labor. So all these conditions should be imposed, but they are normally followed by everybody. So India is possible. Some balance has to be struck between the closed and the open registry. There's some points I quickly jotted down. It has to be conditional, it has to be phased, and it should provide incentives for all those coming to India. By incentives, I feel regulatory incentives, administrative incentives, and tax incentives, which is very freely available in Gift City. I'm a big advocate for Gift City. I feel everyone should come and register their ships in Gift City and experience the beauty of Gift City. We are as good as any other registry. I would not like to take names, but we are as good. Gift City provides that kind of facilities. One has to only come and try it out. A possible roadmap which I would recommend is a clear regulation, and of course all those who come into India to monitor them, to help them in getting finance. Finance is a big problem, but I think Gift City has resolved a lot of those issues. We have people from Gift City who are going to speak. We have experts from IFSC who are going to speak on that. Finally, the risks which we are exposed to is that it should not become a flag of convenience. We don't want that. So yes, we should open up with a little bit of limitations and restrictions. We have a very, very good 2020.